everyone, this is Diana from Links.
Today I will introduce more about the Model M2 for the keys and the batteries. There are three different types of keys. The biggest triangle one, square one, and oval one. First one, find the biggest triangle one, and this is used to start your bike. Clockwise to start, easy as all the other rest of the electric scooters. Then find the square one. This is used to lock your handlebars. In this case, you can make sure the safety of your loved scooters. The last other one is used for the battery cage. The battery is easy to take out and charge indoors. You just need to open the battery cage, unplug the battery, and take it out. The weight of the 20 amp battery is like 18 pounds, so it's easy to carry. Let's see it again closely. Unplug the battery here and take it out. That's it. Hope you all liked today's video. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's see you next time. Bye.